Go out is a very common phrasal verb in English. It means to leave home for social activity, entertainment, or dates. This is one of the most important meanings beginners need to learn first. The main use of go out is for social and romantic situations. It means leaving home to have fun with friends or go on dates. Native speakers use this every day when making plans. Friends ask each other, "Want to go out tonight?" This is a casual invitation. They have been going out for months means a romantic relationship. Both examples show the social meaning clearly. Instead of go out, you can say, "Are you dating anyone?" Or, "I love to socialize on weekends." These single words replace the phrasal verb but keep the same social meaning. "I'm seeing someone new" means dating. "We hang out every Friday" means spending casual social time together. Both expressions work exactly like go out in relationships. "She goes out a lot on weekends" shows regular social habit. "Let's go out for dinner tonight" is a common dinner invitation. These are everyday conversations everyone understands. "Want to go out tonight?" is the classic invitation question. "Are you going out with her?" asks about someone's relationship status. Both questions use perfect go out grammar. Remember, go out means social activity, dating, and leaving home for fun. Master these 3 core ideas, and you can use go out correctly in any conversation.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.